Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to download apps in laptop Windows 10 in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. Now if you're looking to install apps such as Spotify, Netflix, or even Disney Plus like that, the process to install those apps on your Windows 10 computer is very similar as it would be in your phone using the Google Play Store on an Android phone or in the iTunes App Store. On an iPhone, and to do this, you use Microsoft Store. So to get started with disinstalling and downloading apps on our Windows 10 computer, the next steps we need to do is open up the Microsoft Store, and we can quickly do that by moving our mouse down to the bottom left of your computer screen, selecting the Start button, and then once you've done that, go ahead and just type the store with your keyboard, and the first thing that comes up should be the Microsoft Store. Once you open up the store, you'll see all the different apps that are available. Up to the top, to the left, you can view the apps by category, such as gaming, entertainment, things like that, and in the top right, you can even search for a specific app by selecting search right here. I just type Netflix as a test. This will bring up all the Netflix-related apps, including the official Netflix app, or as we search also Disney Plus app. Once you find the app you want to download and install, go ahead and select it, and then you just want to look for the blue bar, and it should say either Get or Install. It will go through the process of downloading and installing the app in your computer. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.